All right, this is the first part of this magnetic base plus stamping tutorial. So I am going to put two magnetic polishes on my nails on a diagonal. The first is El Corazon Kaleidoscope Interstellar Cats number 52, and the second is 55. And so what I'm going to do is just put a rough diagonal down. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just want to and put the other color right next to it. And I'm not really blending the two colors together. I just want them to sort of be distinct. Then I'm going to apply my magnet on the opposite diagonal and hold it for about 30 seconds or so. This is a pretty strong magnet, but I like to make a very distinct line so that even when it disperses some, it still shows up quite clearly, the magnetic effect. So I find that holding it a little longer while it dries really helps, and also repeating it after you apply top coat also really helps. So there you go, and you can see the magnetic effect here as that cat's eye line moves, and you can see the shimmer here. The green has more of a green turquoisey shimmer, and the blue has a blue and purple flash shimmer. So I quite like those two together, and because they both show the dark base and the silver line, they look good together. So I will be back with a second part, which will be the stamping. Okay, I'm back with the second part of this, which is the stamping. So this is dried now. It's been about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, and I'm going to stamp with the Creative Shop Plate 98, which was sent to me for review, with this image here. And I'm using El Corazon Kaleidoscope Black, which is probably my favorite black stamping polish. So I'm going to apply a stripe of polish across the top there. Okay, and as you can see, this plate picks up beautifully, even with clear stampers. Okay, and I forgot to mention my liquid latex is Manny Defender from Lantern and Wren, sent to me for review. And now I'm just going to clean up the rest of that. I know some people are able to put on liquid latex and peel it off, and they have no cleanup, but for me and my really high sidewalls and curvy nails, that almost never happens. If I were to get the latex sort of onto the nail itself, I could do that, but that presents other problems. So I would much rather have a little bit of cleanup here at the end than deal with that mess. So the Fab Your Nails cleanup brush, the Angular Kolinsky, continues to be my favorite cleanup brush. It just is able to pick up all the nooks and crannies really well. So now I'm going to top coat, and I usually use this Super Chic Lacquer Liquid Marble top coat. I got a big refill of it when I bought this based on recommendations I got in a Facebook group. And so I still have probably 2 ounces of that left. And whenever it starts getting thick, I just refill from that bottle. And occasionally I add thinner, but it's not really necessary if I add from the refill bottle. And then the last bit is to apply the magnet one more time, just to make sure the magnetic effect is going to stay after the top coat has been applied. And there you go. And hopefully I can show you on my other nails, which have all been done, but I really like how that looks with the stamping sort of disappearing at times and a lot more visible at times. I just think that that's just a really cool effect. I love my magnetic polishes. So anyway, thanks for watching.